never leave you hanging. You know exactly where to get out. We'll say when to get out as well. So how do you take advantage of this stuff? I want to bring in Chris Sayre. Many of you know Chris. He's been with me here as a dedicated Big Trends employee for the last 11 years and counting. And one of my earliest clients, Chris has been a great friend as well as a great employee and serving our customers, so many of our thousands of customers so well. He's going to walk you through this very special pre-Black Friday special so you can actually take advantage of big savings and big bonus time if you act quickly. I'll hop back on in a few to answer some questions, but many of you know Chris. He's going to walk you through exactly how this works and the structure of both of these programs that you can lock in today with this pre-Black Friday super special. Thanks for being with us, Chris.
Hey, Price, thank you. Another wonderful presentation by you, and thank you for those comments. Yes, we are work colleagues, but we are friends as well. It's hard to believe it's been 23 years as of last week, man. It just seems like yesterday, right?
Time flies.
It does. It does. Well, thank you for the opportunity to speak to the Big Trends community. Ladies and gentlemen, as Price was sharing with you, the model portfolios combined for the credit spread trader and the index options timer over the last 90 days. Now, when you think back over the last 90 days, you think about all the different news events and the geopolitical issues that have been going on in the world, earnings announcements, you name it. There's always something in our ears and in front of our eyes that's trying to distract us from our trading. And you can see what these strategies have done over the last 90 days. Win rate 76.47%, taking a $10,000 account, $9,690 in profits. As Price showed you all, this takes in all winning and losing trades. Of course, past performance, whether good or bad, does not guarantee future results. Again, over the last 90 days, a 76.47% win rate on the credit spread trader and index options timer trading systems. So what do we have for you? So as Price was saying, Friday is Black Friday. Last week was our anniversary. So we are just in celebration mode here at Big Trends. We got Thanksgiving on Thursday, so lots of exciting things happening for us and for you all today. So what do we have? Well, we've got 12 months of trade alerts from the Credit Spread Trader Alert Service. That's a $2,364 value. That's based on the monthly list price of $197. So that's one of the trading systems. Now, we're also going to talk about the index options timer. That's a $2,364 value as well. Then you may be saying, that's great. I've two trading systems, 12 months of each. But again, we're in the celebratory mood here at Big Trends. We're very thankful for you all allowing us to have 23 years in business. Thanksgiving this week, Black Friday, wrap it all up. So what's Price allowed me to present to you all? We're talking 12 months free of the Credit Spread Trader. So that's a $2,364 value. 12 months free of the index options timer. You're getting the point. That's another $2,364 value. But we're not done. So you're going to get some additional bonuses in addition to the 24 months of access to each alert service, right? It's buy 1 year, get 1 year free. So you're receiving a total of 48 months of subscription time. 24 of Credit Spread Trader, 24 of Index Options Timer, plus you get these additional bonuses. You're going to get access to Price. Every Monday, he does his weekly video update. He records those on Mondays. We send out a courtesy reminder email at 6 p.m. Eastern time to our clients and notifying them to go into their Big Trends account and watch his weekly video update. He does trade analysis just like what you saw today. He breaks down the trades, why we got in, why we got out, why it worked, why it didn't. And it's a great educational opportunity for our Credit Spread Trader and Index Options Timer clients. Price was talking to you all about the rules, the settings. Well, he's going to provide that to you for the Credit Spread Trader and the Index Options Timer. You're going to get access to both of those trading systems in the settings and rule sheets that we make available for our clients, and those are found in your Big Trends account. I'll show you where to locate those here in just a few minutes. You're also going to have a dedicated email address that goes directly to Price and our research analysts. Should you have any questions about the trades, any of the content that he covers in the weekly video update, anything that you may read in the settings or read on the settings and rule sheet, you're going to have that email support with Price and the analyst team. So this is a total value of $9,456. right? We've shown you what a $10,000 account has done over the last 90 days. A little over $9,000 total value for 24 months of access to each one of these services. So again, total of 48 months of subscription time plus these bonuses. But we're talking about 48. So why do I keep bringing that up? Because the first 48 buyers today receive Price's Credit Spread Bootcamp Digital On Demand course. That's a $297 value. Also, you're going to receive Price's Market Timing Bootcamp Digital On Demand course. That's a $297 value as well. Total bonus value today, if you're one of the first 48 buyers, that's $594 in value. And guess what? You're going to have that dedicated email address should you have any questions about any of the content that he covers and teaches in either or both of those boot camp courses. You're going to have unlimited access to those boot camp courses. If you decide not to renew your subscriptions at that 24-month term, when that 24 months is up, you're still going to retain access to Price's 2 boot camps by being one of the first 48 buyers today. So let's break this pre-Black Friday special down for you. 12 months plus 12 months free of Credit Spread Trader, Index Options Timer, plus today only you're going to receive Price's Credit Spread Bootcamp, Price's Market Timing Bootcamp, total bundle value, $10,050. That's right, $10,050. But that's not what we have for you. We're in the Black Friday, pre-Black Friday special, $448. $448 for 24 months of Credit Spread Trader, 24 months of Index Options Timer. And if you act quickly and go to members.bigtrends.com/BOGO, B-O-G-O, buy one, get one, you're going to receive the 24 months of access to Credit Spread Trader, 24 months of access to Index Options Timer, plus unlimited access to Price's Credit Spread Bootcamp and his Market Timing Bootcamp. Let me put that in your chat boxes for you. That's members.bigtrends.com/BOGO, B-O-G-O, acronym for buy one, get one. So you're buying one and getting one, buying 1 year and getting 1 year free. Plus, you're also going to receive the 2 boot camps for being one of the first 48 buyers. Let me take you to that page, and then we'll come back over here to my Big Trends account. So let's jump over to that checkout cart. Very simple, very easy to use. Billing information over on the left-hand side. 4 major credit cards accepted. Put that information at the top right-hand. If you want to do PayPal, scroll down the page right below complete my purchase. You'll see the PayPal icon down here, the yellow or gold rectangle. We also take PayPal. So PayPal or the 4 major credit cards you see listed in the cart, order summary, Credit Spread Trader 12-month BOGO alert service, 24 months in total, Index Options Timer 12-month BOGO alert service, 24 months. Remember, it's members.bigtrends.com/BOGO. No www needed. It is simply members.bigtrends.com/BOGO. Well, let me jump over to my Big Trends account and show you what'll happen for you. If you're one of the first 48 buyers today, remember you're going to receive unlimited access to Price's Credit Spread Bootcamp and his Market Timing Bootcamp. You log into your Big Trends account, you're going to land on this page. It's called the dashboard page. We're going to move horizontally across the top. We're going to go over to Member Education. Now, I have access to everything that we offer, but your 2 boot camps will reside under Member Education. You'll find them there. I'm just going to click on Credit Spread Bootcamp, and you'll see kind of what that looks like right there. Also included with each session of the bootcamp are the slides. Price provides the slides for each session. Why would he do that? So you can download them, print them out, make notes on them. And remember, if you have any questions along the way, you've got that email address to him and our analyst team. So you can say, hey, in session 1, you were talking about XYZ. Can you elaborate on that and explain that a little bit further? And Price or one of our analysts will get back to you. So that's where the boot camps will reside, under Member Education. Your 2 newsletters, under Member Newsletters. Credit Spread Trader, click on that. You'll see Price's weekly video sitting there waiting for our Credit Spread Trader clients. And you'll notice over here on the right-hand side in blue, Credit Spread Trader settings and rules sitting right there. And if you go down, you'll also see index options timers down there as well. Okay, very simple, very easy to use. So think about it before you even receive your first trade. Before you even receive your first trade, if you're one of the first 48 buyers today, you're going to get access to both of his boot camps. You can start on those today. You already see his weekly video for today is sitting there, so you get immediate access to that. And I just showed you that the Credit Spread Trader settings and rules and the index options timer settings and rules are going to be there for you. I mean, look at all the content and education that you're going to receive today before you even receive your first trade, all in your Big Trends account. But the only way that happens is if you go to that URL, members.bigtrends.com/BOGO, BOGO. Now remember, over the last 90 days, these two strategies have had a success rate of 76.47% over the last 90 days. Now, past performance, whether good or bad, does not guarantee future results, but we're very confident in these trading systems. Does that mean every trade's going to be a winner? No, it does not. Price even showed you and told you all that. Frequently asked questions about these two trading systems, Credit Spread Trader and Index Options Timer. What type of option strategy is used? Credit spreads using weekly options on stocks and ETFs, okay? Stocks and ETFs. Credit Spread Trader predominantly focuses on the stocks. Index Options Timer trades SPY, which tracks the S&P 500. You may know it as the spiders. And it also trades IWM, which tracks the Russell 2000 index. What account size do you recommend? We suggest you have a minimum of $5,000 in trading capital. What's the average credit received per trade? Price showed you some examples. I have some examples for you as well. We're targeting 20 to 25% on capital at risk. As Price explained to you all, if it's a dollar spread and we take in 20 cents of credit, you have 80 cents at risk. So you capture the 20 cents in your account, you have 80 cents exposed. So 20 cents over 80 cents is a 25% potential return on that capital at risk if you don't close the trade down early, if it doesn't work out, but that is the maximum potential with the trade. How many trades per month should you expect? Approximately 6 new trades per month. Approximately 6 new trades per month. How many trades at one time? No more than 3 open trades at one time. Okay, why is that important to you? For capital allocation. You need to know how much capital you need to have ready to go at any point. What's the holding period of a trade? 10 days or less. We call this swing trading with credit spreads. So you want to learn credit spreads, you're comfortable doing credit spreads, Credit Spread Trader, Index Options Timer, check that box. If you consider yourself a swing trader, these strategies check that box as well. When are the new trades sent? So check this out. Credit Spread Trader, acronym CST, those trades are going to be sent between 3 and 3:45 p.m. Eastern time, okay? Those are going to be sent out in that last hour of the trading day. IOT, acronym for Index Options Timer, those trades can be sent at any point during a trading day. So you get a little bit of diversification, right, between the two trading systems. You'll get a little diversification about when they're sent. You also get a little diversification about what they're actually trading. As I mentioned earlier, Credit Spread Trader predominantly focuses on stocks, and Index Options Timer focuses on those two index ETFs. How are the trade alerts going to be sent to you? Well, they're going to be sent to you real time via email. So whatever email address you use on your purchase receipt, that's the email address you will receive your trade alerts on. As Price mentioned, we can send the trades via text as well. Those setup details will be in your welcome email that our client care department sends you. You can also get set up for text alerts in your Big Trends account under the My Account section. Again, in the welcome email, there will be a link to get set up for text alerts, or you can do it in your Big Trends account under the My Account section. Are exit trade alerts sent? The answer is yes. We get you in, we get you out. Whether the trade works out or whether it doesn't, we will send an exit alert telling you when to exit the trade. How do you receive the access to the dedicated email address that I've mentioned? That's going to be provided to you in that welcome email as well. So when you get the welcome email, just don't throw it in the trash folder or some other folder. You need to take a few minutes, read it. There's a lot of good information in there. Yes, I'm biased. There's a lot of good information in there. We tell you how to get set up for text alerts. We provide that dedicated email address that you can use to send questions to Price and our team. And we also provide you the email address that we use to send out the trade alerts. So that way, if you want to create a filter in your email box, you can do so. Where do you find Price's weekly video update? As I demonstrated just a few minutes ago, your Big Trends account under the member newsletter section. And where are the CST and IoT settings and rule sheets? Again, as I demonstrated to you over on that right-hand side of your Big Trends account under member newsletters. Remember, you get access to all of that information today, but only if you go to members.bigtrends.com/BOGO. Now, I mentioned that you have a trade alert example here for you. So I know Price showed you all the chart on Caterpillar. So let's talk about it. So on November 4th at 3:18 p.m., remember these credit spread trader alerts come out in that last hour of the trading day, hence the 3:18 p.m. Time. New trade, sell to open the Caterpillar November week 2, 11/11/2020 put. We provide the option symbol out there for you as well, and simultaneously buy to open the Caterpillar November week 2 to 17.5 put for a net credit of 50 cents or more. So we feel like we give a very descriptive trade alert. We tell you exactly what to trade. We tell you what expiration to trade. We tell you which direction and the strike price. And we break it all down for you. And we're telling you to do this trade simultaneously. Why? This is a vertical credit spread. The only types of spreads that we're trading in these two strategies will be verticals. No diagonals, no calendars, none of that stuff. As Price was saying, no ratios, nothing. Simple, straight, vertical credit spreads. Okay, so that was on November 4th at 3:18 p.m. Remember, I said we're swing trading these credit spreads. 6 days later, on November 10th at 9:38 a.m., right after the market opens, enter the following to close this open trade. Buy to close the Caterpillar November week 2 220 put, and simultaneously sell to close the Caterpillar November week 2 217.5 put for a net debit of 10 cents or less. Now, what I can show you is that the model portfolio was able to enter this trade at 50 cents and close it down at 9 cents. So trading 5 contracts, which would have been up to $1,000, right, of the CAT November week 2 220 217.5 put credit spread example that I just shared with you, resulted in a gross profit of $205 or 20.5% before commissions or subscription fee in 6 days. Trading credit spreads on Caterpillar. On November 4th, entered 5 contracts of the put credit spread at 50 cents per contract. That's $250 into your account, right? 5 contracts, 50 cents. The reason you see the multiplier of 100, there's 100 shares represented in each options contract. On November 10th, as I shared with you, we closed down those 5 contracts of that put credit spread at 9 cents per contract. So we paid back $45. So the gross profit is the $250 you took in, less the $45 that you paid back to close out the trade, resulted in a profit of $205 before commissions or subscription fees on 5 contracts. That's a 20.50% return trading Caterpillar and credit spread trader. Now, index options timer, this trade was just last week. This trade was just last week. So we've closed this trade down, hence the successful closed trade example. Full disclosure, trade is closed, okay? So don't run out there and try to put it on tomorrow. Close this thing down already. Sell to open the SPY November Wednesday, week 4, 406 call, and simultaneously buy to open the SPY November Wednesday, week 4, 407 call for a net credit of 20 cents or more. As Price was telling you all, on these indices, they have options that expire throughout the week, okay? On individual stocks, they have options that expire on Fridays. But with these indices, as you can see from this example here, we trade at the Wednesday expiration. Okay, just so you're not confused, this was a Wednesday expiration. It is a vertical. Week 4, 406, 407. Net credit of 20 cents. Today at 9:35 a.m. Eastern time, so this morning, our index options timer clients received this alert. Enter the following to close this open trade. Buy to close the SPY November Wednesday week 4, 406. Call and simultaneously sell to close this SPY November Wednesday week 4, 407. Call for a net debit of 4 cents or less. Okay, we were filled on this trade. This is what this looks like. If you traded up to $1,000 toward the trade, that would have been 12 contracts. It resulted in a gross profit of $192 or 20% before commissions or subscription fee in 5 days, trading the SPY, the S&P 500 index. So on the 16th, you entered 12 contracts of the call credit spread at 20 cents per contract. It's $240 into your account. Today, close out 12 contracts of the call credit spread at 4 cents. That's $48 outflow. So you've got $240 that you took in, $48 to close it down. It's $192 back into your account, or a 20% profit in 5 days. And 2 of those 5 days were the weekend. Okay? 2 of those 5 days were the weekend. Now, what you can tell from these 2 examples, CAT was a put credit spread, so we can do put credit spreads. Index options timer, the SPY trade, was a call credit spread. So we can trade that direction as well. Either trading strategy can recommend put credit spreads or call credit spreads, right? We're not in these trades very long. We can trade both directions. Gives you some nice diversification, in my opinion. Again, 12 months of credit spread trader, 12 months of index options timer, 12 months free for each service. So 48 months total subscription time, 24 of each, plus those additional bonuses. Just on that alone, that's a $9,456 value. But remember, if you're one of the first 48 buyers today, you're going to receive Price's Credit Spread Boot Camp and his Market Timing Boot Camp. Each of those are valued at $297, making the bonus value $594. Total bundle value, $10,050. $10,050, but for you all, as I shared with you earlier, $448. All of that for $448 when you go to members.bigtrends.com/BOGO. I mean, look at all that Price is allowing me to present to you all. 24 months of credit spread trader, 24 months of index options timer. And if you're one of the first 48 buyers today, you're going to receive unlimited access to his Credit Spread Boot Camp and his Market Timing Boot Camp. Each one of those, as I shared with you, are a $297 value, $594 just in boot camp value alone. For the whole bundle, the pre-Black Friday special, $448. $448 for all of that. $448, a one-time payment of $448. Just those 2 trades alone, were $397 in profit, just in 2 trades. Trading Caterpillar, trading SPY. Okay? $397 in profit in 2 trades in about 10 days. Think about it. members.bigtrends.com/BOGO. When you go to that page, this is what it's going to look like. Billing information again is on the left. Just make sure the information that you input matches up with what's on file at your credit card company. Maybe you recently moved. Maybe you have a business credit card in your hand. You put your home address down and your business has its own physical address. Just take a few seconds, make sure everything is matching up. We do take the 4 major credit cards, as I said earlier, Visa, MasterCard, Amex, and Discover. We also take PayPal. Just need to scroll down the page a little bit, and you see that gold, yellow rectangle at the bottom that says PayPal. If you have any questions, we list this on here twice. You can give us a call at 1-800-244-8736, or you can email us using clientcare@bigtrends.com. That information is listed twice, just like the terms and conditions. You see the terms and conditions right above the complete my purchase. You also see them down here at the bottom. Please refer to the terms and conditions there. And we also list the phone number and the email address again. 1-800-BIG-TRENDS. That's 1-800-244-8736. Or you can email clientcare@bigtrends.com. Let me throw that in your chat boxes for you.
Hey, Chris,
If you go to that web,
let me
yeah,
chime in
sorry.
on something too. Yeah, because I see Abdul asked if we'd only get one strategy, but actually you get both strategies here, Abdul. So that's why it's kind of such an insane value when you look at a lot of times we might do both of these programs together for just 12 months each, but here you're getting 24 months each, a total of 48 months, 24 months times both services. And as Chris showed you, all for the one incredibly low price point of $448. Just to give you a context on the value, Chris already showed you how just a couple of trades could practically pay for the whole thing. But, and this is another way to think of it. If we do about 75 trades, we did 72 over the past 12 months in both of the services combined. If you're in the neighborhood of about 72 to 75 trades over 2 years, that's in the neighborhood of about 150 trades over the 2 years times just under $450. That's less than $3 a trade. That's insane value when you start factoring in. A lot of times people jump all over our services when they're even in the $5 to $10 a trade window. So you're really getting truly exceptional value. Not to mention you're not just getting one boot camp, but 2 boot camps as extra bonuses with all the profit potential that Chris is showing you here. And I've got some thank yous on folks that have fast fingers who are already locking this down. Want to get some thank yous out. The Dennis H. out of Nevada, I know you're going to love your next 2 years of access. Welcome aboard. Donald K., welcome aboard as well from Missouri. Thank you for your continued business. We appreciate you. See a lot of longtime subscribers locking in the value, including Philip R. out in Oklahoma. Welcome into not just one, but both strategies, both services, 2 years of value with the 2 boot camps. Philip, I know you're going to love it. And then also Charlie in Iowa locking it down for the 2 years as well. So, the bottom line here is that that's just to get it started. There's going to be more coming in, especially if you act quickly today and tonight before midnight to get not 1 but 2 boot camp bonuses, many hours of training, plus, of course, like Chris mentioned, the dedicated email access to me and my analyst team. If you've ever got a question about your trades and your portfolios here on the credit spread side, we've got you covered on individual stock credit spreads and the indexes, the big ones, to cover you across what any market environment, bull, bear, sideways. I don't care what the market does as long as we wait till we are positioned for a good risk reward trade. We're not going to throw stuff out there until we're not going to put any trade out there just to throw it out there. We're going to put it out there only if we have a defined data-driven quantitative edge that you can really take advantage of in your options trading portfolio. So I'll hand it back over to Chris so he can wrap it up. But folks, don't sleep on this. If you sleep on it, you miss out on the bootcamp bonuses. Come midnight, that offer turns into a pumpkin, right? But the idea is that, look, lock it down. Learn while you earn with the boot camps and, of course, with the continuous training that I give you every Monday. I just did some new recordings that will be out here in 11 minutes, so take advantage of those as well, like Chris showed you through the members site. Thank you so much, Chris, for walking folks through all the different components of the great value in not 1 but 2 services at both BOGO benefit and incredibly low one-time investment price point. So thank you, Chris. You can wrap it up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you again for the opportunity. Ladies and gentlemen, credit spread trader, index options timer over the last 90 days. As I said when I first started speaking, think about what's happened over the last 3 months in the markets, politics, around the world, and these systems have performed. Now, as we say, past performance, whether good or bad, doesn't guarantee future results. But we believe in these systems, right? Or we wouldn't be presenting them to you. The win rate, 76.47% on the credit collected up front. So you get the opportunity to receive that money in your account as soon as you put the trade on. And as I showed you on those 2 slides, yeah, we may close the trade down so you give some of it back, but you still have the opportunity of making 20, 21% on these trades, right? Frequently asked questions. There they are. If you have some, throw them in the chat box. I'll be glad to answer them for you. Again, minimum suggested capital, $5,000. We've talked about the targeting of 20 to 25% on the capital at risk. You're looking at about 6 new trades per month. No more than 3 open trades at any time. We're swing trading. You out there identifying yourself as a swing trader? We're swing trading. You like weeklies? We're trading weeklies. You know when these trades are coming out. Credit spread trader, if and when a trade is triggered, it's going to come out in that last hour of the trading day. Index options timer is going to come out at any point during the trading day. How are you going to get it? You're going to get them via email. You can get set up for text. Remember that link in your welcome email, or you can go to your Big Trends account under the My Account section. I showed you the examples of the trade alerts. We get you out of the trades, so there's no worries there. That information will be sent to you via email and text as well. Told you the dedicated email address that Price and I have referenced. That's going to be in your welcome email. And I showed you that his weekly video for today is sitting there waiting for you under your members newsletters section of your Big Trends account, as well as the credit spread trader and index options timer settings and rules sheet. Summary: 24 months of credit spread trader, 24 months of index options timer, buy 1 year, get 1 year free, BOGO. Remember, buy one, get one. Total value for the 48 months of subscription time in total and the additional bonuses, it's a $9,456 value. Remember, if you're one of the first 48 buyers, and it sounds like we've already had some buyers when price came on, so if you're still out there listening and you've recently bought, thank you for your continued support of Big Trends. As we said, we celebrated our 23rd anniversary last week, and we couldn't do it without folks just like yourself. We are grateful, we are appreciative, and we thank you so much. First 48 buyers today are going to receive that unlimited access to Price's Credit Spread Boot Camp and his Market Timing Boot Camp. $297 value each. Total bonus value $594. Again, over the last 90 days, $10,000 trade, $9,669. $9,690 over the last 90 days, allocating up to $10,000 per trade. Win rate, again, I've been here over 11 years. That's everybody. That's all everybody ever wants to talk about is win rate, win rate, win rate, win rate. Here it is, win rate, 76.47% over the last 90 days. 76.47% win rate, combined with the two different strategies over the last 90 days. Past performance, whether good or bad, does not guarantee future results. One last time, pre-Black Friday special, 12 months plus 12 months free of Credit Spread Trader, Index Options Timer, plus today only you're going to receive Price's Credit Spread Boot Camp and Price's Market Timing Boot Camp. Total bundle value, $10,050. For today, for you all, $448. $448. You're going to receive 48 months of subscription time in total, 24 months of each trading strategy, plus unlimited access to Price's Credit Spread Boot Camp and his Market Timing Boot Camp. Total value, $10,050, yours today, $448, when you go to members.bigtrends.com/BOGO. I'm going to put that in your chat boxes one more time for you, and the two ways you can contact us if you have any questions. We're here. If you don't reach us and you call, we do have voicemail. Our hours are typically 9 a.m. till 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. We stick around a little bit after the webinar, so if you try to call, if you don't reach us, leave a voicemail. If we're not here, we'll call you back tomorrow. Just let us know what time zone you're in and the best time to reach you so we can get your questions answered. If you do call today, what I can tell you is if you do call today and we don't get back to you, you will still qualify as one of the first 48 buyers because you took the initiative to reach out to us. All right, it looks like Price and the team have answered all the questions behind the scenes while I've been speaking. So Price, thank you again for the opportunity to speak to your Big Trends community. Folks, it's up to you to decide. Are you going to go to members.bigtrends.com/BOGO or not and take advantage of this pre-Black Friday special? Okay. On behalf of Price and all of my colleagues here at the World Headquarters in Lexington, Kentucky, we want to thank you for sharing a portion of your day with us. And as Price says, trade well.